Just arrived here in Cagayan de Oro, traveled from Valencia, Bukidnon. Time check, it is already 11:15. And today we're gonna just stay here for a few hours in this hotel because tomorrow morning we're gonna head to the Islamic city of Marawi in the province of Lanao del Sur. So spend here a night and then tomorrow we're gonna go to Marawi to visit that city. Whenever you're traveling, make sure you always have water. Always hydrate when traveling. We're gonna wake up early morning tomorrow, so let's set an alarm. Good morning, time check. It is now 5:23. Let us now head to the bus terminal. Ready for Marawi. Taxi.
Hey.
Bulwa terminal. Meter na meter. Bulwa. Okay. Just arrived at Bulwa bus terminal, westbound terminal.
Asa diri ang bus pa Marawi?
Sir, wala pa yung para Marawi. Hindi pa alas 12.
Ay alas 12 pa?
Oo.
Walay karon?
Wala,
Buntag.
buntag.
Katong mga uban nga bus, rural. Wala pod.
Wala ka na, wala ka sa ang schedule pre. 12 bidya, 12.
Kani.
Largay na, pwede pa ka.
Na pa rin bakante? Wala na.
Napir ka sir.
Daghan pa?
Tambo lang na eh, pagkakot tambo. Nay naguna nito kay imong ticket ipakita lang nga gikan ka sa Cagayan, dahil wala kay pwede ta. Nauga sa NEC, kung global na. Terminal para Marawi.
Iligan na dili.
Iligan niya po sir, kaduhang terminal.
Ay tingnan daw ang driver ba asa ba?
Pasakya sa Ugay bus para Lanao o para Marawi. Pakita lang yung ticket para kay plite.
Mao ba?
Di ba, ang Ligas Terminal to Pigas Terminal, pakita lang kayo. O kay ticket yan, hindi kayo Cagayan. Ina lang ha, pakita lang yung ticket. Ayaw lang wala yung ticket.
We are now with a bus bound for Iligan City. And in Iligan, we're gonna transfer there for a bus going to Marawi. Early morning here in Cagayan de Oro. Time check, 5:54 a.m.
100.
Okay.
Ikaw yung magkuhan sa Marawi, anak kan dito.
Dito?
Oh.
Pwede ba?
Oh. Ipakita mo yung kanang.
Ay, ticket to?
Na. Gikan mi Cagayan.
Pwede dire?
We're gonna transfer to another terminal to take another bus from Iligan to Marawi. We are now in Iligan.
Dito yung terminal, sa Marawi.
Sa Marawi ka, dahil mga pandi.
Walang bus?
Wala.
Van lang?
Van.
Walang bus pa Marawi?
May trabaho ka sa Marawi?
Po.
Anong trabaho mo?
May mamasyal lang. Kayo po, Marawi kayo?
Oh.
Pero mag-van din kayo, bus?
Van.
Walang-
Armak.
Ha?
100.
Ano po?
Armak.
Ano yung armak?
Yung chick ba? Yung van na 150.
Walang bus dito, pa Marawi? Sige.
Alright. I just found out that there is no bus going to Marawi from Iligan. So we're here in the terminal of vans and jeeps. We're just gonna take a van to Marawi. Let's look for a van.
Sir, COVID sir? COVID.
Ito yung van pa Marawi?
Alright, we're now in a van going to Marawi.
Adi, isanda kang doon si Sakuan.
We are now in the Islamic city of Marawi. So we're just heading to the terminal and then head to my hotel.
Hindi, mga sidecar na. Ito yung mga sidecar. Alam nila kasi yung pasulok dito eh.
Taga saan ka ba?
Dito din sa Marawi, pero hindi ko ito kapusapan.
Ito na yung terminal.
Oo, terminal.
Sige.
Yung mga motor dito.
Salamat ah.
Let's get a tricycle to our hotel. Isa lang, isa lang. Isa lang.
Auto katake. Dua ka na.
Skylight.
Ha?
Skylight.
Skylight?
Alam niyo yun? Skylight Hotel.
Skylight. Saan daw yan?
Tignan ko yung address.
Skylight.
Lapit lang daw dito eh. Skylight.
Hotel.
Skylight.
Kabasaran.
Heaven Road. Malapit sa Santorini. Malapit sa Santorini na hotel din. Sindao Cafe. Alam niyo yung Sindao Cafe?
Sindaw ka. Kahit.
Anong bro? Naubo.
Hindi ka pa abo ba? Kasi ko ba yung mga sundero?
Yung sundero?
Heaven Road.
Ay, buso mga nyo. Nabunda siya yung contact sa may tukas. Subog ko.
Ah, ganun pa sa mga sundero.
Karoman sa Sindaw Cafe.
Heaven Road.
Oh, even doon.
Magkano doon? Magkano?
70 lang yun.
50 na lang.
Oh, sige.
50. Oh, itong sidecar mo ah. Ganda.
Ah, siyempre. Nandun sa babae, no?
Malamig pala dito sa Marawi, no?
Oo.
Kahit summer, malamig.
Oo. Yung mga dagat at saka kwan.
Ano?
Sa iba yung dagat at saka Ranao.
Oo nga eh. Malamig na, no?
Oo, pag Ranao, lamig.
Basta lake.
Sa dagat na mainit.
Oo, mainit ang dagat. Ito, ano to eh? Ano to? Ranao?
Ranao, oo.
Ay, hindi yan. Yung kabila.
Kabila.
Dito na. Lumampas tayo. Okay na. Lakad na lang. Sakto pala yung alam mo eh.
Yan.
Diretso lang pala eh, no?
Oo, pero dito lang yan. Sa banda dyan, crossing, nawalan.
Ganda pala dito sa Marawi, no?
Oo.
Oh, salamat ah.
Salamat po.
Alright, we're now here at our hotel. It is just near. This is also another hotel. But we're gonna be there at Skylight Hotel and Garden. Alright, so this is our hotel in Marawi. Good morning, saan yung lobby? Check-in ako.
Good for,
Good for, ako lang isa.
wala po sir, yan po yung pinaka...
Naka-reserve na ako.
Okay po, si
Regine Reyno.
ID sir, ano po, ID? May motor sir or...
Wala akong motor.
Bakit?
Malamig pala dito sa Marawi, no?
Opo, lalo na po mamaya, hindi nyo na po
Kahit summer, malamig, ano?
Opo,
Kasi summer ngayon, pero malamig.
kahit nung unang dating ko dito talagang...
Ay, hindi kayo taga dito?
Hindi po.
Taga saan kayo?
Parang Cotabato po po.
Mas malamig dito, ano?
Opo.
Mainit sa Cotabato. Eh.
Talagang napakain ko Cotabato. Mamaya sir, mga 5, hindi mo na makikita yung city ng Marawi. Dahil sa pag...
Alright, let's have a quick tour of my accommodation here in Marawi. AC. Although I've read it before, but I'm still surprised that Marawi is cool, has a cool climate. When I arrive, I can really feel the temperature. Really cool, kind of like Baguio. Even though it is summer, it is still cool. So we have here twin beds. They provide towels, soap, shampoo, very basic. We have here tissue, 2 bottled water, toothpaste, table here, and open locker, cabinet with your stuff. Ministry of Trade, Investments and Tourism. As you've noticed, it is called Ministry because this is part of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region. So instead of department, they call it Ministry. And we have here table, chair, mirror, and window, which has a view of the mountains of Marawi, and very nice nature, cool breeze. And for the bathroom, they have hot shower, very basic stuff. So we're just gonna relax for a bit, refresh, and then head on our tour here in the Islamic city of Marawi. Finally, here in Marawi. Time check, it is already 10:30. I haven't eaten breakfast yet, so after shower, I'll go out and look for some food to eat and probably some coffee as well. So let's look for some coffee. It is still 10:40, so I think it's still good for coffee. I see here Haven Coffee and Tea. Let's see what do they have here. This is kind of like outskirt. It's not in the city center, so I really wanted to have some traditional Maranao dishes. But since we're not in the city center, so let's just look for places near our hotel. And this is one of those. Let's see what do they have. Hello. Coffee shop to? Coffee shop?
Yes po.
May espresso machine pala kayo, no?
Ilang kayo, sir? Kailan po?
Ako lang. Beef kebab na lang.
Sige po.
Okay lang?
Yes po.
Beef kebab. Tapos,
Ayun yung matamis, no? Hindi namin nilalagyan ng...
ayoko nang may sugar.
Yeah, walang sugar siya. Coffee-based din siya. Coffee and milk lang po siya.
Ice Americano na lang.
Ice Americano na lang.
Oo, parang siguro ano yun, okay yun. Ano?
Okay, sir.
Mapagising lang.
Sige pa.
Sige, yun lang.
Sige, sir. Later na lang, sir. And may wifi po tayo dito kung gusto nyo makakonect, sir. Sige.
Alright, our coffee has arrived. We are here at a coffee shop near the hotel, Haven Cafe. It's not a traditional Maranao place, but this is the only available option here. So it's a decent place to relax before having a tour here in Marawi. So far the people are friendly, nothing to be scared about, contrary to what the media is portraying. The people here are friendly, kind, it's pretty safe. Oh wow, it's so good. It is strong, bold, with hints of citrusy notes, probably an Arabica coffee. Really good. This is like, let me check the price. I ordered a beef kebab and that is for 110 pesos. And this is iced Americano, so it is 110. So pretty much like most coffee shops in Mindanao. It is in the not expensive but not cheap as well. Typical coffee shop price. Cheaper than Starbucks, but better. Oh yeah, coffee is really good. We're just waiting for a beef kebab to start our Marawi food trip. I'm really a fan of Muslim food. First of all, because it's halal. I don't eat pork. And secondly, it is just really good. Their spices, the way they cook their meat. Just because they don't eat pork, they kind of like mastered the craft of beef dishes, lamb dishes, all those things that are not pork. And this is the start of our food trip or cuisine tour here in Marawi. And later, I plan to, hopefully we can be able to have the authentic ones there in the city center, like the real ones, what the locals eat. Alright, our food has arrived. Beef kebab. Let's do this. Oh, and we have some hot sauce over here. This is the rooftop of my hotel. They have like a hangout area here, probably even a restaurant, cafe, something like that. You can eat here, you can dine here, and it's overlooking with a view, the nature, the mountains of Marawi. Take a look at that. You can see the mountain over there. Nice hotel. And over there, you can see there, this is the Lanao Lake, the famous Lanao Lake here in the Philippines. Alright, we're gonna start our tour, city tour of Marawi. Kayo po si Rose, no, from tourism.
Yes po.
Kayo, ang pangalan niya?
Saipol lang.
Madami palang ano dito, ano? Marami rin palang mga hotel-hotel. Akala ko dati.
Mayroon pa dyan sa mga ABM. Snacking. Affected area is 24 barangay.
Ang dami.
Oo.
Sa Marawi Siege.
Opo.
Pero ito, hindi ba ito naapektuhan dati?
Hindi po, kasi dito-
Malayo to, no?
Oo, dito po yung mga sundalo. Dito sila.
Dito sila nagtago. So bali yung tourism, maraming kinikater dito pag may mapupunta rin. Pag kinokontak po kayo.
Pagka sa amin. Yun, kinikita po namin.
Nakita ko yung ano niya yung Facebook page.
Pero actually, sir, wala pa kaming sasakyan. Pero ang pinaano namin, yung nagpupunta dito ng Marawi.
Marami palang mosque dito, ano?
Oo.
Ito isang...
Isang mosque yan dito sa... Kasi actually, maraming mosque dito sa Marawi.
Pero wala pong simbahan dito.
Mayroon po. Mayroon tayong katedral.
May Christian, may mga Christian din dito.
Meron. Marami.
Maraming Christian din.
Pati sa emission, marami.
Yun po yung sabi-sabi pagka yung mga taong usually and even sa news na hindi daw safe ang Marawi.
Oo.
Delikado daw, ganun. Pero safe naman po, ano?
Hindi, totoo yun. Hindi, walang ano lang yun. Fake news po yan, sir.
Kaya nga kanina pagdating ko, sabi ko, wala naman, parang normal lang naman. Kasi pag wala ka dito, kung talagang maririnig mo sa Marawi, parang, uy, wag dyan, parang delikado, may mga gulo.
Tapos wala yun.
Ano po itong mga to, yung mga binibenta dyan?
Mamaan po, mama.
Mama, yeah. Very common dito, ano?
Yung parang yellow siya.
Very common, ano?
Magupin na lang tayo, sir, para...
Ganda, oh. May mga tetarik din sila. Parang
sir.
parang kumbaga parang Malaysian, ano?
Opo. Ang wala dito is Jollibee, gano'n.
Ay, mas okay nga yun eh. Para na-preserve niyo yung culture niyo talaga.
Tapos ang nandito lang is doon coffee shop.
Pero maganda kasi na-preserve yung culture nyo. Kumbaga kung ano talaga yung sinaserve yung pagkain, ganun talaga. Hindi yung parang na-influence ng Jollibee, mga American food.
Wala. Yung mga palapa, specialty namin, palapa, yung broa, yung bodo, yung bakas, badak, langka, yung langka.
Badak, naririnig ko yun. May sign, Islamic City of Marawi.
Yan ang 0 kilometers na dyan.
Daming ano dito, no? Parang madaming mga estudyante.
Ito, sir.
Yan yung
Yan
zero
ang
kilometer.
kilometer zero na. Ano, mag-picture ka na, hindi na.
Saan po?
Ito po,
Ano pong meron dito?
yung kilometer zero.
Pwede na po mag-picture kasi parang special yan eh. The minaret of the mosque that was bombed during the Marawi siege. It's just an amazing experience because I was just seeing this in the news before, back in 2017 during the Marawi siege, and now I'm here. You can really see the effect of war and the development after the war. You can see that the government really is doing its job to really renovate and to rebuild this city. Ito, like pagka walang gera, wala namang gulo, di ba? Tahimik naman. Very peaceful, di ba?
Kasi ang sabi ng mga Tagalog, talagang maganda yung Marawi. Kasi doon sa Sulo, maganda yung mga sundalo. Pag nasa palengke ka, inaambos ka.
Dito wala naman.
Wala na. Kahit isa, walang na.
Nung siege lang talaga eh, no?
Oo. Kahit na pumunta sila ng market, walang binaril sa kanila. Wala talaga.
Kasi basically, yung mga Maranao, hindi naman sila known talaga sa mga gera-gera eh.
Oo. Kasi ang ano namin, Islam,
Tsaka more na business kayo eh. Showing you Lake Lana, the second biggest lake in the Philippines. Alright, ground zero. We can see that some buildings are already being rebuilt. Like this. Here are some of the damages. Look at the damages of the war. An example of the mosque that was rebuilt during the time of President Duterte. He was the one who rebuilt this quickly. Alright. So here it is. Islamic Center of Marawi. Ground zero in Marawi. Done. Let's go. Alright, stop over here to have some food. Ranao restaurant. Let's see if they still have some food.
Manok na piyaparan.
Okay, sige.
Ayan.
Ano pa kang iba? Wala na yung badang?
Badak yun yung may langka. Yun.
Saan yung badak?
Yun yung ko doon sa tulog.
Badak yun?
Oo, badak na.
Ito. Sige po, dito. Kain po tayo.
Sige.
Tawagin niyo po yung sa ano? Ang palang pangalan niya.
Wala.
Tawagin niyo po. Kain po tayo. Hello. Okay na? Meron pa? Pagkain?
Ano Ano sa'yo, sir?
Yung
Manok na piyaparan o langka?
dalawa po. Yung manok tsaka yung langka. Pareho lang sila, yung doon sa kayan.
Yung sir, na ano yun, parang native yung parang yung buhay na manok yun, ano yung poultry.
Ano po yung native? Saan po yung native? Ayan, mas masarap yung native yata, ano? Sarap to, ano?
Sarap.
Saan ang paborito mo dyan?
Paborito ko.
Anong kinuha mo?
Rice at saka isa.
Dagdagan mo pa.
Okay lang.
Ha?
Yung bukan.
Adios, sir.
Ayan, appetizer. There's true niya?
Ay, kahit hindi ako mag-i-straw.
Yung kasama niya na lang.
Alright. Ano pang tawag dito?
Manok, anite.
Hindi, yung name po ng dish. Anong pangalan ng dish niya?
Piyaparan naman.
Piyaparan.
Aman niya.
Okay, we have piyaparan na manok, badang.
Badak. Palapa.
Ayos.
Sir, masarap pag walang gloves.
Let's try this. Ito, badang to, badang. Basically, lang puto na may ano, parang ang halo niya, magkulay yelo.
Mayroon kaming ang tawag doon. Tawag doon. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan niya.
Turmeric.
Hindi turmeric yun. Parang ano siya.
Sarap.
Kalawag yun. Yung tawag sa amin kalawag. Parang yellow siya. Tingnan mo, masarap, no?
Sarap, ang sarap.
Ito sir yung palapa.
Kinahalo po to sa
Yan, dyan hinahalo.
to.
Mahanghang yan.
Langka din to.
Hindi, palapa yun. Yun ang pinaka-specialty ng marami. Palapa.
Ihahalo rin sa ulam to.
Pagkain mo siya na...
Depende.
Pero milig ako sa manghang.
Yes.
Parehas tayo sir.
Milig ka rin sa manghang. So sa Maranao culture, talagang pag kumain kayo, mostly nagkakamay po kayo.
Kasi pag wala kang ano, yung totally ganyan, masarap.
Matitikman yung lasa.
No? Mas sumarap sa kung nilagyan mo ng ganyan.
Yan, masarap.
Ah, so good. Maranao food.
Iba nga itong lasang poultry at saka yung dito naman.
Oh. Sarap ng pagkain nyo.
Siyempre. Kung gano'ng kasarap yung pagkain namin, gano'n kami ka, masayang kaibigan, mapagmahal ng tao.
Sarap. Parang ano to, coconut,
Oh, coconut yan.
nyog,
Niyog, na kinukod ko.
sarap. Mas sumarap yung manok eh, nung hinaluan.
Oo.
Lagyan pa natin ng ganito. Ano bang pangalan ng ano ito?
Palapa.
Panapa?
Palapa.
Palapa.
Opo. Yan ang specialty namin.
Kasi mas masarap siya kumakang eh. Oh, grabe, sarap. Lagyan pa natin. Let's put some more. Dati kasi may napanood akong pumunta dito ang sikat na vlogger.
Oo, yung sikat.
Si ano, ewan kung kilala nyo. Amerikano.
Oo.
Amerikano siya, pumunta siya
Ano
dito.
pangalan niya?
Mark Wins.
Nakapunta rin dito.
Oo, Mark Wins. Tapos kumain siya. Git ako eh.
Siya?
Sikat po yun na vlogger, pumunta dito.
Visitan namin yun, pero pumunta dito sa Saturday.
Sino po?
Siya.
Si Mark Wins?
Opo.
Nabalitaan niyo rin yun?
Nag-email sa amin, pero hindi namin siya in-accept kasi walang pasok. Doon pumunta ng province. Kaya ang nakasama sa kanya is province.
Pero yun sa province sa tourism, magkaiba po kayo nun ano?
Magkaiba po, sir. Kasi yan sa kanila yung mga province yun. Yung buong Marawi, yung mga province dito sa Marawi. Kami dito lang sa Marawi.
Sumarap sa dalawa ko. Sarap. Pero ikaw, nag-aaral ka pa?
Oh,
Anong year ka na?
si Other College.
Ha?
Third year.
Parang MSU rin.
Hindi. Mighty.
Mighty.
Pero sa MSU po, may nagtatrabaho din ng mga, may nag-aaral din ng mga taga Manila.
Oh, mga Sambuanga, Sulo, dyan sila nag-aaral.
Sarap?
Masarap talaga sir, pagluto ng Maranao.
Really good. Good food. Maranao. Highly recommended.
Alright, we are now inside the campus of MSU, Mindanao State University, Marawi, the main campus of MSU. It is now 3:05 and students are going out, walking. We're about to go to the museum to learn more about Maranao culture located inside the MSU campus. Aga Khan Museum. Hello.
Ito po yung director namin sa Batangas.
Hello po.
Anong may tulong natin?
Tingin-tingin lang po.
Okay.
Sa...
So, basta kayo ng tourism.
Opo.
Pabili ko lang in charge sa...
Thank you po. Wow. Grabe. It's patterns of pre-Islamic. Ibig sabihin, before yung Islam, meron na to. Pre-Islamic eh. Ano po to?
Ito yung bahay ng sultan. Nasa libre po yan.
Parang replica siya na bahay ng sultan. Kumbaga yung palasyo nila, no? Made of wood talaga.
Lami. Yung bahay ng prinsesa.
Saan po? Ito.
Ito. Ito yung maski.
So yung bahay ng prinsesa, bawal dyan yung mga lalaki.
O siyempre, prinsesa.
Kung yung prinsipe, hindi pwedeng dumalaw, gano'n sa ibang clan.
Hindi po.
Matulog dyan.
Kasi siyempre, yung prinsesa, dito talaga siya.
Pero parang walang hagdan.
Wala, basta iwan ko kung paano siya makakakyat.
Lake Lano, hindi lang pala Marawi ang parang lugar niya. Dami, oh.
Province yan. Yung Marawi.
Ang laki talaga.
Kaya malaking ulit. Si Kandi.
Ito yung mga isda niya, oh. Nung bata pa kayo, umiinom talaga kayo sa lake,
Oo.
Lake Lanao?
Oo.
So, nagkukunin niyo doon, tapos iniinom
Yung,
niyo.
di ba yung galon? Inuwi namin sa bahay, yung nanginginom namin.
Pero fresh na siya.
Fresh siya talaga.
Wala pang mini-mineral.
Wala. Walang mineral.
Grabe, ang laki. Monkey eating eagle.
Galing yan sa amin. Doon sa may bundok doon.
So, ibig sabihin, meron din palang forest dito sa Marawi. Grabe, ang laki pala talaga nito. No? This is the antique copy of the Holy Quran sent all over the world. Distributed at the end of the holy month. Parang yun lang ako nakita ng Quran. This is the bed of the Datuk or Sultan. Sultan ba Datuk?
Oo.
Where, so you notice there are 3 compartments, so 1 for the Sultan and for his wives, at least 2. That's why the bed is big, is huge, so that it can accommodate 2 wives in one night.
Ito po yung pagkain nila.
So, ibig sabihin, mismong sa floor may kainan na.
Oo. Ganun talagang prepared
O display
na.
lang yan dyan. O talagang yan ang
Yan
nangyayari.
talaga, sa unang panahon, ito talaga yung ano nila.
So, after ng tulog, kakain o before?
O yun, pagka kumakain sila, ganun talaga mag-prepare sila ng pagkain.
Grabe. No? So, walang upuan.
Ito yun, kasi kaya sinasabing ito antique. Yan. Riyaradang pas ang tawag dyan.
Swerte ng swerte ng dato. Dala-dalawa asawa niya.
O ano?
Done with our city tour for today. Back at our hotel. Time to relax. This is Marawi at this time, 3:55. It is already very foggy. Mountainous with a lake makes it a place with a cool climate. Very nice. It's very similar to Tagaytay and even Baguio. Not a lot of people know this, but Marawi is a good place for vacation if you want a cooler climate, especially in the summer here in the Philippines. More foggy update from my hotel. Wow. Temperature is dropping. Look at that. This is Marawi. The highway is there, but you can see it's now zero visibility, almost zero visibility, and it's just 4:24 p.m. After relaxing on the rooftop and then speaking to the receptionist, we've talked about a lot of things about the culture here in Mindanao, in Marawi, and all that stuff. I've learned a lot of things. So I think when traveling, that is also part of traveling. You talk to people to learn things. I'm really grateful for the opportunity to be able to listen to other people's perspective of things, especially regarding their experiences, the culture here in Marawi, in Mindanao overall, and what's happening, especially with the safety issues and all that stuff. And now it's time to get some dinner. So my tour guide mentioned a while ago that there's a place near this hotel which is a kind of like a place for dining and some activities. We're gonna go there. Time check, it is already 6:15 in the evening, so we're just gonna walk. It's not far from the hotel, although it's already dark, but they say it's safe to walk here in Marawi. So just showing you how dark it is outside, but let's get there and get some food. Lamig na no? Kailangan naka-jacket na pag ganitong oras. Grabe. Sarap nga eh. Check ko lang yung nandito. Yung sinasabi nila. Soti. 6:17 in the evening. And we're getting out of our hotel to search for food, for places by myself in Marawi. As you can see, it's foggy. It's still a bit foggy. Oh, it's good thing it's not raining anymore. There's already the moon. The moon is showing. We're just walking here at night or in the evening in Marawi, looking for a place to eat. So it's just a few meters walk. Walking by myself in Marawi. This is how safe Marawi is. It's nice to walk here because it is really cool. In fact, it is cold. Temperature is about 22, 23 degrees Celsius, and it will even drop even lower. So it's nice to walk. You're not gonna be sweaty. It's very comfortable. I'm wearing a hoodie. It's a very nice vacation here. And as you can see, we are about to approach some establishments. Look at that. People are dining over here. So lots of food to choose from.
Okay, sir.
Magkano yung rendang?
Randang, 40 pesos po yung single po. Tapos yung double po is 40 pesos times 2 lang po.
Sige.
Tapos yung extra rice natin is 15 pesos.
Kung mag-extra. Pero yung double, dalawa ng rice yan, di
Yes,
ba?
sir. With ano po yun, ulam na po.
With ulam na yun.
Yes, sir.
Yung double rendang sa akin, ayun, 80?
80 pesos.
80 pesos.
40 count po, sir?
Dito dine-in.
No, isa double randang.
Pwedeng dalawa.
Dalawa na lang. Para i-double.
Para i-double na lang, ano?
Oo.
Okay, sige. Pwede doon sa kabila.
Yes, sir.
Alright, we got beef rendang. Beef rendang, still Muslim food, so let's do it. Oh wow. So good.
The rendang is really good, really tender. It has that coconut flavor.
It has been a wonderful day. Finally being able to visit this city, which I really wanted to visit ever since. And now I was able to visit it. It was a meaningful experience and I find it really fulfilling. A while ago when I was hanging out on the rooftop, I heard call of prayers from different mosques from the city and I just felt a different vibe. It feels like I'm in a different country. Even when I was roaming around the city a while ago, in terms of costume, in terms of language and culture, the food, it really feels like I was in a different city as well. These kinds of experiences is what I want in traveling. It's what I go for in traveling, and I'm really glad that I had the courage to visit this city despite of the fear that is being sown in the hearts of the people through media and hearsay. But upon coming here, it is generally a safe city, and I really love the climate. It's really cool. It's like similar to Tagaytay and Baguio. So having said that, it's now time to sleep here in my accommodation, Skylight Hotel and Garden Cafe here at Heavens Road in Marawi City, in the Islamic city of Marawi. Thankful for this opportunity of travel, of vacation, wherein we can experience other culture, other places, and of course relax from our work. Tomorrow we're still gonna explore some of the parts of the city and basically just try their food, try more food. That is a plan. And visit more intensively the Mindanao State University campus, MSU Marawi, which is one of the best universities in Mindanao or even in the whole Philippines. So I'm gonna see you tomorrow, guys. Good night.